Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Sweet Girl Grace coming back with a brand new video. This is going to be an affordable makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm just starting off with the CoverGirl Illuminator Concealer Stick in the color 725. And I'm just going to use that to cover up any imperfections that might be on my face. And then we're just going to cover up the bags that are under my eyes as well. And then I'm just going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 110 Porcelain. That's right, I'm pasty. And then I'm just going to go in with a powder concealer. It's the Loose Finishing Powder by Maybelline, and it's also the Fit Me brand. So that is in the color 10, and that's Fair Light. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. And then I'm just going to be going in with my Too Faced Cocoa Contour. And I'm going to be using the medium cocoa color. And I'm just going to be using this to contour my cheekbones. And I do know that this is a little bit more on the expensive side, but you can go ahead and use whatever contour palette you have. And then I'm also just going to contour at the top of my forehead on either side, and that will help me look like I have a smaller head. And then I'm just going to take a bit of a fluffier brush, and I'm going to take the same color and I'm just going to go down my neck and under my chin with it, just to give me the appearance of not having a double chin. I'm going to take a bit of a smaller, fluffier brush, and I'm just going to go down either side of my nose and then kind of circle around at the top to give myself the look of having a thinner and button-like nose. And then I'm going to go back in with another fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the color Light Cocoa, or what's left of the color, and I'm just going to go in the middle of where I contoured on the tip of my nose, and then I'm also going to go down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm just going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Blush. And then I'm just going to put that right onto the apples of my cheeks and blend up. And then we're going to move on to the eyebrows, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer, and it is in the color 300, and it's blonde. I didn't think I had blonde hair, but apparently, guys, I do. And a nice thing about this is it has this tiny little brush to comb through all my tiny little hairs on my eyebrows. And then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to fill in both of my eyebrows. I'm definitely no professional eyebrows, but they'll do. And then next I will be going in with this liquid highlighter from Benefit, and it's called High Beam. I'm just going to place it on the tops of my cheeks and then down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. And then I'm just going to blend that all out until I am a glowing goddess. Now I know that we already did a liquid highlighter, but I'm just going to go in with my Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and I'm just going to use the color Strobe, and I'm going to put that on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the tops of my cheeks, and my Cupid's bow. And we're just doing this to give us a little bit extra glow. Oh my, don't mind my extra weird self. And I know that we said this was going to be an affordable makeup tutorial, but this is one of my favorite palettes of all time, and I'm sure you can find any palette that could match these colors as well. But this is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette, and I'm just going to be taking for the first color, I'm going to be taking satin sheets and putting that all over my lid. Then I'm going back in and I'm going to be taking almond truffle and I'm putting that on the corners of my eyes. And then I will be going back in with sprinkles, and I'm just going to be placing that in the middles of my eyes. And I really like this look. I feel like it's really simple and pretty and elegant, and it's just very me. And then I'm just going to be taking a straight edge brush, and I'm going to be going back in with almond truffle, and I'm just going to kind of line underneath my lash line. And then that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. And then we're going on to the lashes, and I'm just going to be going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and this is just the black mascara. And I'm just going to apply that onto both of my lashes, and that's pretty much it for the lashes. I said lashes way too many times. I just said it again. Last but not least is the lips, and I'm just going in with this lipstick from Maybelline. It's called Maple Kiss in the color 925. One of my favorite colors, especially for in the fall time, which sadly is not fall time anymore, but it is spring nearing, and I'm pretty excited about that as well. So that's pretty much it for the makeup, but now I'm just gonna go ahead onto the hair, and I'm just feeling a messy bun for today since I'm currently snowed in. So a messy bun is just going to have to do. So I'm just pulling all my hair to the top of my head and pulling out some of the baby hairs, framing my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that up onto the top of my head. Then I'm going to grab some bobby pins, and I'm just going to go ahead and secure that right into place. that's pretty much it for the hair. Just a cute little messy bun. Takes a little bit more with all the hair I have. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the hair. And then I'm just going to accessorize a bit and pop my cat ears back on. But other than that, that is the look for today. I'm really happy that you guys stopped by my channel to check it out. If you did enjoy it, please give this a big thumbs up. And if you wanted to, you could hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you do decide to hit that subscribe button, make sure not to forget to hit the bell at the top of the page there, and so that way you will get notified every single time I upload a new video. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!